I just want to buy 3 iPhone 13. Why are we living in a Hallmark movie right now? This is the dress. This is crazy. I love life. Merry Christmas, everybody. Good morning. Welcome back to another day of vlogmas. As you're watching this, it is my birthday. When you're watching this, I'm 19. Crazy. We're going with the Morphe 2 Hint skin tint. This is my favorite skin tint. I haven't used a skin tint in a while. I usually just use concealer. Just a little bit though. I usually don't do my makeup during the day, but since I thought this was like a little birthday vlog, I would like look half decent finally. I'm picking up my 2 friends from the airport. They came in from Canada. This morning I naturally woke up at 4:30 a.m., which is actually insane. This is the earliest I've ever routinely been waking up in my entire life. But I just edited for 5 hours about, and then clean up a little bit, and here we are. One of my favorite concealers, the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade 25. This is the makeup look. I'm not like 100% done yet. I think I want to do a lip color or something. They just texted me that they landed, so I'm gonna go pick them up right now. Cheers. Did this go bad or something? What the f? Welcome to Los Angeles, baby! This is Anila, y'all already know who she is. And this is Lilia, say hi! Hello! They just flew in from Canada. What a long 3-hour flight, all paid for. Bring you guys into my closet, because I'm trying to figure out what I want to wear. Definitely nothing extra, because for some reason, whenever I wear like extra outfits, I always feel like the least confident for some goddamn reason. Then I'm just gonna wear these baggy Zumba pants that I thrifted, and this top from Victoria's Secret that I got in my Black Friday haul, and then maybe accessorize a little bit, but we'll see. Alright, this is the outfit. I'm not sure. I think I just gotta put like a necklace on or something, but I think it's cute. I can't tell. This is like an accessory. So, you know, if I'm feeling a little bit frisky, I can just, whoa! Just kidding. What do we think? What do we think? What do we think? Let me know down in the comments below.
Hey guys, welcome back to shopping in my family's closet. Today,
we have my boyfriend's.
Oh!
cut the cameras. Dead ass.
No, that's incorrect. Are we rocking with silver today, maybe? Bitch, what was that for? Oh no, this chain is like broken.
Oh my god, these perfumes remind me of so much.
Oh, you want to smell Harry Styles?
So good.
This is what Harry Styles smells like.
I can eat this.
Wow. For earrings, I have this paper clip from Studio Call. And then these 2 are my jewelry line. And then this one is like an extra large tagging clip, you know, that are on clothes. It's like an actual earring. This one's also from Studio Call. And then this necklace is Vivienne Westwood. What do we think? I don't know what shoes to wear though. I think my black and red Jordans though. These for perfume. Since we have like a little like edgy outfit, let's use something girly. We're gonna do Prada Candy. This one smells so good. This is like, to me, kind of low-key reminds me of Tom Ford Lost Cherry. Can I get chai gong? Pho Thai. Thank you.
Just use like my Vietnamese skills to test. Can you guys tell I've been taking like Vietnamese lessons even though he did not understand a thing that I said.
Here we have spring rolls, but I don't know why, but I think here in the US they're different because whenever I order spring rolls, they always look like this. They don't look like this in my head. What is this?
I thought that's very different.
Y'all just wait. In like 30 seconds, I'm gonna get my personality back.
Oh, I just knocked this over. Do you guys have like rags or something?
I just made the biggest mess. Am I trying to handle all the problems in our life? Currently, we're at the Grove. We just ate at this Vietnamese place. It was so good. I got my personality back. Sterling's living life. Right now, I thought I'd do like maybe like a little shopping vlog because it's my birthday or whatever. If you don't know, the Grove is like an outdoor mall in LA. I honestly don't have anything that I want to buy. So maybe we'll just walk around, look around. I'll show them around.
Sterling adapts.
We were just talking about it, that like in LA, you can't even tell like that it's December. To me, my concept of time is because it's like every day in LA just goes by like crazy because you don't have seasons to tell you like, oh, a month's gone by or anything. You literally just live every day like it's normal because weather is the same all year long. Like obviously sometimes it's a little bit, oh, hi, hi, yes, hi. Like every day is basically the same. So to me, I can't tell that 6 months has gone by just like that. You know, does that make sense?
La Tour Eiffel.
What does that mean?
The Eiffel Tower.
Wow, this tree is like fat.
Look at how little Mai is in comparison
Look
to
at this
it.
tree. Oh, I want to.
You guys see how much effort goes into Sterling's face.
Hi, oh my god, do you watch my videos? Hi, nice to meet you. No way, really? Yes, of course it's you. I love your hair, by the way. Thank you. I love your hair. Oh my god. It's a tree! Look at this Apple store, bro. This Apple store got trees in it. Hello, pick up the phone, baby. Ooh. I love the small ones. They're goated. They look so cute. I just want to buy 3 iPhone 13s.
I'm treating y'all so good.
Might as well splurge and just get y'all the regular ones. You know what I mean? The full size. We can't cheap out on you. This was supposed to be a shopping vlog for my birthday, but I like this better. No, because this is like your guys' birthday. My birthday is your birthday. Without you, I literally would be unalived right now. We love dark humor.
The fact that you're not even kidding.
This store is crazy. I just like don't understand how much better the camera quality can get because I literally just got this 12 or whatever. I'm like, oh my god, like so good. But then now I'm looking at the 13 and I'm like, the store is giving me very like Japan vibes.
What is this store? Oh
I don't know why,
God.
but whenever I see people with like the classic iPhone case, it screams like rich, bougie. I'm here with my little Amazon one.
Wow, this is so cool. What the heck? No way.
Oh my god. This brings back so many memories. I remember saving up my money, going up to Walmart and buying my first iPod Touch when I was in grade 5. And I remember I bought it with my own money and my grandma got so pissed off. She got so mad that I would spend my money on an iPod. But it was the best decision ever. The amount of videos that I filmed on there, oh my god. This is what kickstarted my YouTube career. Actually, no, it was like a mini camera. Insert footage here.
Okay, we're on the plane right now. And then in Canada, it is 4:17 p.m.
Ooh.
I'm using a new vlog camera. I am 4 subscribers away from 2,000, so that's pretty exciting.
Little did I know that 5 years later, I would be at 1.6 million subscribers. Yo, watching that footage back was actually just insane for me. Like editing this, I was like, because when I was 7 years old, I just sat watching YouTubers all the time being like, damn, I wish that I could do that for the rest of my life. And I dreamed of it. I told every single person that I knew that I was gonna be a YouTuber before it was even a career, and everyone looked at me like it was actually insane. I begged my mom to buy me a camera for my birthday. Like, doing YouTube was always my dream, and now it is my full-time job, which is actually insane. Just wishing that I could be one of those YouTubers that I watched. Thanks to you guys actually made my dream come true, which is insane. Like, I can't believe y'all like with me enough to like make it my job. I love you though so much. You don't know how long that I've been dreaming of this life, so now that it is reality, I want to try to give back to you guys as much as I possibly can, because without you, like, obviously none of this would have ever happened. Because I know you probably look at my channel and you're just like, oh, like 1.6 million people, but I've been doing this for so long. It definitely did not happen overnight. It took so long for me to like build this community that I have now, and I think that's why I appreciate it so much, and that's why I still read all my comments, and that's why I still give back to you guys, is because like, to me, I put so much hard work into this. It took so much time that it's hard to like forget about how this all happened.
I just want to say hi.
Hi.
I'm a really big fan.
Oh my god, really?
Yeah, I'm
Hi, nice to meet you. What the heck? What's your name?
Olivia. I was watching your vlog this morning.
No, you weren't. You were watching it this morning. Oh my god, do you want to say hi to the vlog? Do you want to say hi, Olivia, right?
Hi.
Oh my god, she was saying she was watching my vlog this morning. Like, she is a real one. What the heck? Oh my god, do you have anything to say to the subscribers?
You should definitely subscribe to her.
Oh, period.
She's the best.
Oh my god.
And have a good day.
Ah, she's so sweet. Oh my gosh, I love you. Yes, okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Oh my god, you'll see yourself in tomorrow's vlog, girl. You'll watch it tomorrow. Okay. Bye, have a good rest of your day. This is crazy. Oh, I'm in such a good mood. We're going out to dinner tonight? I'm so excited to eat my crispy Thai shrimp. Yes, could I get 3 iPhone 13?
First, have them in stock.
How are y'all just out of iPhones?
Bro, that's crazy. I mean, we've been out of iPhones since before the store opened.
Why the f does store look like this but out of iPhone? Get a pink one, a white one, and we'll do a simple black one for bitches that want to be basic.
I'm with that.
All right, let's do it. Y'all, I don't even have an iPhone 13. I have humble or whatever. Little baby. Look at him. Look at his arm. He's actually my kid. Somebody put a kid in. I'm kidding. Y'all remember this game? I used to be obsessed. I remember playing this on my Xbox. Someone get her in the Miami Art Basel show. Shake. Oh, tell me why this is the best birthday ever.
It's not even your birthday.
I'm literally like, party. Can we get a happy birthday? Happy birthday to me. Are you gonna get a birthday
birthday cake?
Yes, let's go get a birthday cake. I'll get a little picture for it. If you guys follow my Instagram, you would have already seen because I already posted a picture of me and my cake on my Instagram, but I'm your little sugar mommy. Oh God.
You don't want any apple care?
No. Sorry, y'all gotta go get that yourself. I am literally your sugar mommy. Oh my God. Literally, what the f is my life? Anila's seen me be like dirt poor, so this is so funny. No, she's seen me go through it.
Thank you. Woo! The thing that we literally used to go, like Ma would go out for lunch and like I would buy her an iced coffee one day and then she would buy me one.
Right, and now I'm out here being like, okay guys, let's just buy a couple iPhones.
Not even just that, dude. The fact that I'm here right now because like you flew me out.
Yeah,
and
like,
you're, like buying 3 iPhones.
Like, life is so crazy. But like, I don't think you guys like understand the value that like you watching this video is, because like seriously, if you didn't watch this video, like none of this
Like
would happen.
I don't think you'd be chilling out here.
No, like I don't think you realize that like it may seem so simple, but like you watching this video is literally the reason why everything that you see right now is happening. It's literally just you watching a video. So thank you for all the support. I love you so much. You don't even freaking know.
We all love you.
We all love Seriously, you may look right now and be like, oh my God, she's like 1.6 million subscribers. Like she's never gonna notice me. Wrong. Go comment something down. Go comment like a really cute little paragraph or whatever you want to do, and I will like your comment. Why? Because I still read all of my comments. I just met another subscriber. She follows the spam, y'all. Everyone follow the spam. Oh my gosh, she is so cute. You're from Atlanta, right?
Yeah.
Right now, I'm not dressing very Brandy Melville-esque.
Yeah, you're like grrr.
Yeah, right now, I'm
Where's
like...
that emo baddie?
Yeah, like, do I look like I belong in this? They most definitely look like they belong in Brandy Melville.
Tank tops are such good quality.
Right? Oh my God, this like bag rack is so cute. I love the color of that. I'm so proud of myself, guys. I didn't buy anything. I told myself like a month ago that I was gonna start being a conscious buyer and just not buying things out of impulse. So I think I've only bought like 2 shirts in the span of a month. I wish I had my glasses on right now. Literally everything I'm looking at is just like bokeh. It's like giving it a little like effect, you know what I mean? Because all I'm seeing is like blobs.
All the way up.
I know. Sharpness all the way down. All of a sudden I don't need to go to the bathroom. Sir? Man's deadass got his like model picture. Everyone here has regular pictures and he's like, oh, let me just send in my digitals. Instead of Nordstrom, this is like literally a dog park. No, but like these in brown would kind of be really cute. Why do I want these so bad? Like they're so out there that I want them. Why are we living in a Hallmark movie right now? Like does this not feel... Ready guys, smile for the thumbnail, ready? Without my glasses on, this hits different. It's like you're seeing life in like just Tumblr Girls with like the bokeh background, but it's gorgeous. Wow.
Why does the fashion hit different right now?
I just know if I took my mom here, she'd be screaming. Hi mom, if you're watching this.
I'm sending this to my mom.
I love you and I love Wow, isn't it crazy how literally a couple days ago I was like, guys, I like I'm depressed. Like, funny. You're so funny, bitch. I couldn't imagine like having to carry a kid around without a stroller, because like, what if you just like get tired? Like you can't just drop it on the ground like a dog. Wow. Feliz Navidad. Right now, you're gonna look at me, and we're gonna say it at the same time. Ready? We're gonna say, I love life. Even if you're looking at me right now being like, no, like, it's embarrassing. No one's looking at you. I mean, if somebody is, then maybe don't. Like, say it in your head. But if you're alone, say it out loud. Ready? And you're gonna feel so much better. I love life! I love life! Merry Christmas, everybody! Woo! See, somebody was calling. See, I probably just made somebody's day. Did I make yours? Do you feel better? Smile with me right now. Go. Cheese! Merry Christmas! You're smiling. See? Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Some people are like, just December 3rd.
I just want like a cute cake. Like my birthday post on Instagram, you guys can go check out what I posted now. Ain't gonna be like, usually every year like I post a picture of me like at a restaurant, tits out, like happy birthday to me. Nah, this year is gonna be me in like a little party hat with my cute little cake with Sterling. Be like, happy birthday to me.
We should get you the horns. You know?
Yes, like that's what I want.
Throwing a little house party
No.
tomorrow at the Airbnb.
It's so funny because when I was 16, I threw this rager house party. Like it was crazy. Like everyone was up, and now I'm like turning 19, and I'm like, woo, birthday cake! Let's go meditate in the forest. Oh, get a cake. Right? Like, why do I love these fruit cakes? Oh my God! Like, look at these. Wow. Wow.
Y'all, look at that. That looks so good.
I think I've decided that I want to get a couple of the small ones instead of one big one, just so we can try a bunch.
Oh, what happened with that I'm on?
I forgot about him. Nothing, like...
You stop talking to him?
Yeah, I remember he hit me up once and I was like, what? So I was like, I think maybe this one is fancier. I'll try it on. This is the dress. What do we think? What do we think? My bedtime is in 2 hours. Oh, I feel like with healthy hair, it's just so flat. Like there's no volume because there's like no damage holding it up to like be voluminous. It's just so healthy that it just like falls, if that makes sense. My favorite blush is this one by Cover FX. It's in the shade Mojave Mauve, and I just feel like it's so pretty and like pink. I'm gonna recontour my nose because that shit ain't snatched anymore. All right, this is my lips before. I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury Iconic Nude to outline it, and Pillow Talk to fill in the insides. It's my favorite combo. I'll show you in a sec. This is the look. Anyways, tonight's scent is gonna be Tom Ford. Well, it's called the Harry Styles scent because this is what Harry Styles smells like. Tobacco Vanilla. But I'm gonna pair it with the Brazilian Crush by Sol de Janeiro because this is like a body mist and it doesn't stay very long, but it smells very good. I've only ever worn these once because they hurt so bad. Let's do it. All right, this is the fit. This is the fit. This dress, I thrifted it. But these heels, they're from YSL. I bought them back at the beginning of this year. I bent them, first of all, so I can't even like stand up straight in them because all they do is just wobble, wobble, wobble. If all I'm gonna do is sit down, I think we're good. Just walk into the restaurant. That's all I need to do. Fuck heels, Mary.
They say where you get that swag from, bitch, I bought this shit. Keep with me in the same lane. Fashion, yeah, fashion finale.
It's gonna be easy, tell me. I got a bankroll. I got a bankroll. Should've done what I said, so they think I'm bankroll.
I literally, we're playing Birthday by Katy Perry right now, and I don't feel like it's my birthday, like at all. Oh my god, someone just commented happy birthday. Yeah, no, I don't feel like it's my birthday. Like I feel like it's another regular schmegular day, and I keep telling them that. We good tonight. We got my favorite shrimp. That crispy dry shrimp was so good that I literally am crying. The shrimp is so good that I'm crying. We're currently waiting for valet. It was a long night. We had some good food.
Shrimp.
Yes, the shrimp was so good. We're sitting there drinking a little drinky drinks, talking
Talking about girl things.
talking about girl things.
Talking about girl things. Talking girl business.
Anyways, we were talking for a little bit long. Anyways, I cannot wait to just take off specifically my underwear. It's digging into my freaking cooch right now. I was sitting there and I was like, is my blood circulation gonna cut off from like my cooch being so fucking suffocated? Life of the Instagram pics.
5 action.
East and the west, racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest all night long. She putting me to the test.